Hello and welcome to Math with Dotun. This is example 4. A runner jogs along the perimeter of a semicircular path of radius 21 meters. How far does he run in one round? A runner jogs along the perimeter of a semicircular path of radius 21 meters. How far does he run in one round? So you have a semicircular path and the radius is 21 meters. All right, so that means if you want to know how far he runs in one round he would have gone round the semicircle. All right, so that's the total distance around the semicircle, and that's the perimeter of the semicircle. All right, so we remember the formula that to calculate the perimeter of a semicircle when the radius is given, we have pi r, which is half of the circumference, plus the diameter, which is 2 times the radius. All right, 2 radi. Okay, and we're given the diameter as 21 meters, and the pi we're also given as 22/7. So we have pi to be 22/7 times the radius, which is 21. All right, we'll do this and then add to 2 times the radius, which is 21 meters. All right, so here we know that 7 can go in 21. So 7 in 7 is 1. 7 in 21 is 3. So left in this bracket we have 22 times 3. 22 times 3 is 66. All right, that's 66 meters. Plus 2 times 21. 2 times 1 is 2 and 2 times 2 is 4. And that will give us 42. So let's add these two together. We have 66 plus 42. 6 plus 2 is 8 and 6 plus 4 is 10. So we have 108. 108 meters. All right, so the distance around the path is 108 meters. So if the runner had run around the track, that means he had covered 108 meters. Okay, please do well to review the video again, and if you have any questions, please do well to drop in the comments. Thank you. Bye.